With global emissions at an all-time high, our world faces an unprecedented danger: climate change. But through the power of biking, we can save our planet. Climate change and carbon emissions pose a real, serious threat to our environment, and through Project Equinox, we aim to address this critical issue. Project Equinox, or PE for short, is our two-pronged approach that emphasizes education and donation. For education, we plan to reach out to local elementary schools in Elk Grove and maintain a more general approach by getting into the EGSD and Sacramento Unified newsletters on the basis of bicycle education through educative, informative videos and presentations. While we may not be targeting the world, we believe that our project will leave a lasting impact and hopefully show that change is possible. In terms of donations, we plan to work with local bike shops to help on the acquisition and donation of bikes to students and foster children in our communities. We are making sure to keep viable goals and expectations, and with this system, if one aspect doesn't go through as intended, we still have other fail-safes and partners to rely upon. As for potential barriers, there exists one main issue regarding public and parent reception. To work around this, we will aim for a wide range and diversified approach, along with personalized connections to ensure that we reach notable success.